Okay, let's go ahead and talk about them. Let's talk about them. These actually release today, as a matter of fact, on Valentine's Day. So I hope everybody that goes for a pair, they actually get a pair because these are great. This is the best colorway for me out of the newer unions that they made. And I'm a little, it's like I still feel like they're not beating the first two colorways. But this pair right here particularly is really, really nice. This time around, we have this Air Jordan Fragment and Union paper, and it's different. It's not what I remember from the first Union pairs. And again, I know these aren't directly, the first ones weren't fragments. So it basically looks like they used the Air Jordan 1 from the OG setup and kind of just threw this fragment heel and tooling, which I've never been a fan of those tiny words on the sole. I think that's just like, okay, I could do without it. But I get it. It's the tooling code. It's how they make the shoe. I understand. The upper on this is really nice. You have soft, supple, tumble type leather on the sneaker. The entire shoe is pretty much tumbled. And I can't find a bad panel on this sneaker. Every panel of leather is really, really good, including the swoosh. The swoosh usually gets left out, but look at that. That is buttery soft. This is a really, really good pair. Shout out to the people that sent these to me. If you're interested, make sure you follow me on IG at Color Culture. But, okay, we got blue bottoms. That's a nice little touch. There's a black pair out there. The black pair, I'm trying to warm up to them. I might get a pair sent. I'm not really sure. This might be the pair I only get. I'm going to try for the retail pair here in 4 or 5 hours. I'm mountain time. But we'll see. If I don't hit a pair, this will be fine. We have kind of the shoe's construction inside. This is what they did on the first Union Jordan 1. I thought that was cool. We have multiple laces. So let's go ahead and I put all of these laces in the sneaker. So let's just kind of take a look at what we got. The first one we have the sail or white laces that turn into black. And these laces are a little tricky because I like to lace the Jordan 1s up to that upper hold, leaving one more empty. But with these double colored laces, they're always small, and you got to get them just right in the shoe so it doesn't look weird. Like the breaking point between the white and the black, it's always a little tricky when you're lacing them up. I like the concept of the laces. It's just make them longer. You have to pull your shoe really tight to make these work. Not bad, but definitely not my first choice. Let's go ahead and move on. What color do we have next? I think we have, what do they give us? Black and red. Kind of the same thing with the black and red. I actually think the black and red, they might look a little bit better than the white and black. But again, same thing. They're just short laces, and I don't like to have that much tongue kind of flopping around in my Jordan 1s. That's just how I've been rocking them in my later stages of life. Back in the day, I never used to tie my shoes, but now I tie them. And the laces are just too short, but they look good though. Black and red looks really, really good. I'm sure some people will roll with this. And personally, if this was the last lace that I put in the shoes, I had to lace this shoe like 4 different times, and I thought I was gonna get a white lace. I was gonna end up just leaving these with white laces because that's what I typically prefer. But they didn't give me any, so it's I think I ended it with black. I don't know, but black and red looks good. I do like it. Kind of goes with the concept of the sneaker pretty well. It's just they're so short. But let's go ahead and move on to the yellow. And this is what actually made me like the Union sneaker from the beginning, was this golden yellow laces that you got with them, especially with the blue pair. The yellow laces look great. They look great with the black pair too, but with the yellow pair, not the yellow pair, the blue pair, they look great. They look good in this shoe too as well. I do like the yellow. I probably wouldn't keep the yellow. They actually do look better unlaced, and the yellow laces are a lot longer than the double colored laces. I just don't know why. Those double color laces are actually made from a different material. They don't feel like standard shoelace material. They're very thin. It's kind of interesting how they do that. But the gold yellow looks good. And here we have black. This is probably what I will leave in this sneaker, mostly because I'm tired of lacing the shoe, and I think the black actually looks good going against the black tongue. I didn't really want it contrasting too much. White laces would be cool, but I think because of the black tongue. This is the best scheme for me. Like, I'm gonna just leave them like this in the box and move on and pray that I get the other colorways. I hope I do, just to kind of complete the set. But I'm glad I got my favorite colorway out of the 3 today. And these, you know what? This is interesting. I got a size 10, and I typically go, like, I just got the olive lows in a 9.5, and they fit great. So I got these in a size 10. I was like, you know what? Maybe I should have got a 9.5. And for some reason, this pair fits like a 9.5. Usually a 10 has a little bit more room. It's a little bit more bulkier of a shoe. But for some reason, these 10s fit like a 9.5. I don't know what's up with that, but it is what it is. But great lace choices that they give you with these. I just wish that they'd make them longer. Just make them like a regular shoelace. But if you guys have these sneakers, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And here's the OG. This is what I'm talking about. Even the OGs, though, I had to lace those up a bit more to get those laces to work. Those just look so good. I think I just stuck with one lacing scheme at the time. So you guys let me know in the comments, what's the best combination with these newer Unions? Do you like the OG more than these newer iterations of the Unions? I actually think all of them are fire, except that black pair. They're just, I don't know about that black pair. And here's the box. Again, I know it's not a total Union collab. It is Fragment, but that box, it was just a better box. But man, look at those, man. These are smooth. Once again, follow me on IG if you have any interest over the shoe. You just want to see what I'm doing on IG. I'm always putting information first there, so I would definitely go there at Cola Culture and check it out. Go through the page, see what's going on. But that's it, guys. Peace, love, and light. Again, I hope if you're going for this sneaker retail, I hope you do get a pair. It's really, really tough getting them from Union. I don't think I've actually seen a pair come out on Sneakers app. But who knows? It is what it is. Peace, love, and light. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.